Assalamu alaikum everyone. So we have completed so far lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 of Nurani Qaida. Alhamdulillah. I hope that you have practiced these two lessons very well. Now today we'll see what is in the lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is Huruf Muqatta'at. It is a blessing for us to memorize it by heart. But for now we will not going to read this lesson because it has tashdeed and the vertical zabar in it, and we haven't yet read it so far. So inshallah, when we will cover these two topics, then inshallah we will come back and we will read this particular lesson number 3. Okay, so for now we are going to start lesson number 4. So lesson number 4 is harakat. So there are 3 types of harakat. Let's see what the 3 types of harakat are there. It's zabar, zair and pesh. Zabar and zair comes on the top of the letter, above the letter, and zair comes under the letter, below the letter. We don't have to pull these harakat at all. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you is that this alif, when some harakat comes on or under this alif, we called it as hamza. So we will not say that alif zabar, we will say hamza zabar. Okay, let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma faqihna fid deen. Before we start this lesson, do subscribe if you haven't yet, and do follow, do share with as many people as you can for Sadaqah Jariyah. Now let's start the lesson. Hamza zabar a, Hamza zair e, Hamza pesh u, a, e, u. So now for the kids and everyone else, I have a memory trick to remember these sounds of these harakat. If the zabar always comes on the top, so whenever you are going to sound zabar, you will always open your mouth like hamza zabar a. You have to make a sound and an upward sound, a, ha, a. Okay, so you have to open your mouth for this, for the zabar harakat. So second harakat is zair. Zair always comes under the letter, below the letter, so you have to make a downward sound like e, he. Now when you say e, your lower lip will go down, e, okay, so like this, e, he. And for pesh, you have to make o sound like u, hu. You have to make a round, you can say, circle of your lips. So for zabar, the sound always go upwards, okay, and for zair it goes downwards, and for pesh it goes round and round. Okay, so it's a, e, u. Now next is ha. Ha zabar ha. We have opened our face. Ha zair he, ha pesh hu, ha, he, hu. Ain zabar a, ain zair I, ain pesh u, a, I, u. Read with me, okay? Ha zabar ha, ha zair he, ha pesh hu, ha, he, hu. Okay, let's read it again from start. Now all the zabar letters, the sound goes upwards, a, ha, a, ha. For zair, e, he, I, he. For pesh, u, hu, u, hu. Okay, round sound. Now ghain zabar gha, ghain zair ghi, ghain pesh ghu, gha, ghi, ghu. Kha zabar kha, kha zair khi, kha pesh khu, kha, khi, khu. So this is for today. Inshallah we will continue tomorrow. Do practice it. Assalamu alaikum.